Meet Muffin, the laziest cat in town.
But Destiny had other plans.
You saved us!
I guess I'm a hero now? Even the laziest heroes can save!
Muffin, you saved the whole city!
You're the bravest cat ever!
Well, I only wanted a nap.
Muffin, you didn't just save the factory. You saved everyone's dinner.
3 cheers for Muffin!
For the greatest hero in town!
Wait, all this food is for me.
Oh no, not again!
And that night, the town learned something important. Heroes don't have to be perfect.
What should we call our hero?
Super Muffin!
Muffin, today you saved our city. You are officially the greatest hero this town has ever seen.
Speech!
दोस्तों चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें
और बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलना ताकि आपसे फिरे